the PETKIT automatic litter box. I'm Joost, I'm here with the PETKIT PuraMax, and this thing is a lifesaver. If you're like me and you've been on the fence about this for such a long time, I would recommend to just buy one. I bought the PETKIT automatic litter box, and at first I thought, why would someone buy such an expensive litter box? But then I thought, it's really not for the cats, it's for me, because this makes your life so much easier. It was pretty fun to unbox this whole thing. The thing is huge, so it's really large. And when you feel the texture of the plastic, it's like this medical grade kind of plastic that it has that sort of feel. There's like this space pod and a large segment beside it. And then you also get these stickers. I don't know why. I think because you need to personalize this for some reason, or they just want you to Instagram this and get some free publicity. I don't really know. But it's very easy to set up. First, you just get the app. You download it using the QR code, and then this takes you through the installation steps. Now you need to connect it to Wi-Fi, and once it's connected, you can go in the app and you can see all these stats about your cat using it. And it also guides you through how to install this thing. Now there are a lot of videos online on how to do this, so I'm not going to bore you with all of the details. But once you have the app and connected it to Wi-Fi, you just need to pour in your cat litter, and it has this max line to where you can fill it. It's very easy. Just put in your cat litter. Now this has to be this lumpy kind of cat litter, because, well, it takes the lumps from the litter box and then separates that from the normal litter, and then those lumps will be collected into the garbage bag on the side. Now you can use any kind of lumpy cat litter. We use clay, but you can also use soy-based or mixed. And you have two different screens with larger or smaller holes depending on which type of lumpy cat litter you're using. So it's compatible with both kinds. And then once you have this thing connected and filled, you can also add some of this deodorizing spray. So this litter box really has like these spray cans that you add into there. It's pretty easy. Just open the compartment and then put that spray can and the batteries inside, and then close that up again. And then once the cat enters the space pod and leaves again, a spray will come out with some refreshing air, so this thing never smells. So that's great. And also you don't have to clean it. All you need to do is have this clean automatically every time a cat went in there. You can set this to auto clean after 1 minute after a cat has been in there, but you can also set it to manual, because if you have smaller kittens, then this is really not suitable for them to do it on autopilot, because a cat might still be in there. It might not detect that the cat is in there, because it does that by pressure plates, by weight. Now you can also set different cats in here, so you can track and follow all of their bowel movements, and it does this by weight as well. So you can put all your cats in and then give them a nickname in the app, and you can see how each cat is going to the bathroom, and also keep track of their weight. Now once this is set, it's on and it's been set to auto. Whenever a cat goes in, it will automatically clean after 1 minute or after the time that you've set, so you never have to clean this again. Now you can also completely clean all of the cat litter at once. Just make sure you have a fully empty garbage bag in the side, so all of the cat litter can go in there, and then you just take that and throw that away, and you don't have to touch any of the cat litter ever again, and then just pour in some new. And I also clean out the whole thing just like every other month or so. And this really is like a medical grade plastic where all of these stains and smudges come right off, so it's really easy to clean. So I'm so glad that I got this, and it has made my life so much easier. I think everyone who has cats knows that cleaning out the litter box is one of the worst things about having them, and this thing just really takes that away from you.